we'll see how long this battery lasts. Okay, so it is the 16th of January 2021, and I got distracted. Distracted? Distracted by what? By what? My UX. So, still there? It's a beautiful day, guys. Very nice. This morning it was extremely cold. How cold was it, Dirk? How cold? I don't know. I didn't check. And I haven't been getting any weather reports, updates, or anything from Sean at Dawn. I'm a little bit disappointed. Sean at Dawn, where you at, bruh? Haven't seen a video from you for a long time. It's 2:36, and the weather is, in Byron Center, Michigan, is 34 degrees. Very nice. Here's the nice part about it. It's not blowing. So if you have any day without a stiff wind in the cold, I mean, summer is really cool, really nice, you know. Hi, girls. There's Oscar over there. I don't know if you can see her. Right over here. Not sure you can see her. And summer breeze makes me feel fine. Blowing down the, I don't know, blowing someplace. But hey, I can move my arm a little bit. Check this out, guys. Ouch, see that? Ouch. Ah, so I can go a little ways now. So it used to be I could only move it this much. Right here and here. See that? That's all I can move it now without pain. Any further than that, it hurts so bad. It was ridiculous. What's this noise in here? What is this racket? I gotta turn that radio down, guys. I can't take that young kid stuff. How do you do it without messing up the radio? Oh, shoot. Keep switching the channel. There's another radio over there. Let me shut that one off or down. So, hey, let's check what's in the garbage. Shrimps. I emptied all my mobile garbage cans. Shut up. So, that was good shrimps. Oh, by the way, so this video is basically what I'm doing on a distracted mode. And bring you down a little bit. Bring you down to my level. So I'm gonna be distracted talking about all different kinds of subjects. So just chill for a while, okay? I'm gonna turn the radio down a little bit more. Otherwise, if I keep hearing this music, you're gonna catch me dancing. So first of all, last night I did pull this thing out. I don't know if I showed you. They actually put plastic on the bottom of this thing, so it's kind of all self-contained. These screws are kind of loose, missing one nut here, missing something here. Oh, they're not. They just push on nuts, cap nuts. I'll clean this all up. But yeah, it's all plastic, you know. This reminds me of the J track at JCI or at Lear. So another thing that I did is I'm in the process of making French fries. There was a company called SQ, QC, CQ, something like that. GQ, GS, something like that. Anyway, what it was a hot dog place on Lakewood Boulevard, I think it was, close to River Avenue by JCI there, Lakewood plant. Anyway, they made the best French fries. It was very small and thin, but just scrumptious. I would sometimes just go there just to buy the French fries. So what am I working on? So if you look up there, I'm going to get behind the camera to make sure you can actually see what I'm pointing at. Let me crank you up here. Crank it up. Right here, if you look carefully, there is a birdhouse. And I think Allie bought that for us a long time ago. And I never had a chance to use it. Well, this is what I'm going to do, guys. For a while there, I was feeding our birds, or feeding the wild birds in my horse barn. They'd fly into one of the windows in the grain room and eat the seeds. And I put it on this board here. But all the seeds would fall down and track mice and vermins. So what I'm doing, this is an old piece of wood paneling, or plywood from Poured Walls Company. There's a local Poured Walls Company that said I could use a lot of their used wood. And what it is, it's about, I'm going to say 3/8 of an inch thick, 1/2 inch thick, and it's impregnated with oil so that the cement, when it gets poured, it is a form. It won't stick to it. So they last really good in the outdoors. So, but I had a big chunk cut out of it because this was part of a wall in the horse barn, and the horses didn't shoot it up. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a fence on this paddock here. And this is going to go on a 55-gallon drum in the spare stall. And they'll be able to fly in and out. It's just so cool to have them just swarm in and swarm out. Just really cool. I think it's cool. So now I need to get a piece of wood for the last piece. And I think it's going to be like an 8-footer. Unless I can find a piece that's floating around. And I don't see any. So this is the only piece that I took from a full chunk. So what I like to do is just kind of cheat instead of using a measuring device. Just go like this. Kind of cumbersome. You know what? I'm going to cut this close and then I can measure it a lot closer. I just want these things to fit really kind of tight so the seeds don't go flying out. You know what I'm saying? I cut it right here. That'll give me the piece of wood to work with. I like these cool sticks. They're very cheap, and there's so many things you can do with it. You know what I mean, Vern? Yo, Vern, you know what I mean? So, another thing I started this morning was I started making those French fries that that company used to make for me. They were three words, delicious. All I can say. Wonderful French fries. It was the bomb. It was the best. So what I'm going to do here, so I got a mark here. But I'm going to cut it a little bit long and just run back and forth a few times. It's not a big deal. And then keep cutting until it drops in there nice and snug. And who knows? I might get lucky. First time might be perfect. You never know. Wouldn't that be a nice story for once? Oh, guys, it's perfect. It fit perfectly. Yay! The crowd roars. So, by the way, I bought these from a weld shop in Grand Rapids, just off of US 131, north side of Grand Rapids. And they were very, very cheap. And now, if a weld shop's going to sell this type, vice grip type of tools, they can't be bad then. It's a weld shop. And it's made in the great USA, from what I can tell. USA. USA.com. So Real Gear. It's called Real Gear. Easy for me to say. RealGearUSA.com. That's a trademarked Real Gear. So far it's worked really good. I've really cranked on them. You know, vice grips has always been my mainstay. Always. Should always be the industry standard for decent companies. But hey, this one's really tickling my fancy. So French fries, what you do is you get really good French fries, and I think it's called like russet potatoes. Can you guys see me? Am I in the field of vision? I'm talking kind of loudly because I'm kind of far away from you guys. But russet the potatoes, and you peel them. I peel them, and then I cut them, slice them in a little dinky, small French fry sizes. Now, right now with that one shop gone, what I do is I make them about a little bit thinner than McDonald's. So, what you do is you slice your potatoes. Does that go up and down? No, it doesn't. So you slice your potatoes. Let me put your little oil down a little bit so you can see me chat with you. So you take these decent potatoes. So my legs are in really bad shape, guys. And so I have to sit down a lot. Who'd have thought? When I was a kid, I used to work. I was always considered the young punk kids and running around like a crazy man, working my butt off and get a system going so I could work all day. Now, I got a seat here, I got a seat there, I got a chair there, I got a chair there, and I got two or three more chairs in the other room. So anytime I feel the need for no speed, I sit down. So, let me go get that bird feeder over there. Can you see me? Let me take a look at the back of the camera. Yeah, you can see me. Okay, so now I gotta find the ladder. I have a small ladder, step ladder. My pants are coming down. I gotta tighten my belt. I gotta buy me new belts. Oh, there it is. I see the ladder. So, what you do with those, you guys even see me? It's aiming way that way. What you do with those French fries after you cut them, you rinse them in cold water 2 times to get all the starch out of them. Once the starch is out, you towel dry them, and then you freeze it. I think I got 3 chairs in here. How cool is that? So you freeze the French fries. I do it on a cookie sheet in our deep freeze. Oh no, hang on, I missed it. So after you rinse all the potato starch off, you boil them. Do a quick boil. Boil the water, then you toss French fries in there, and then once it comes up to boil temperature again, or starts boiling again, get them out, drain them, dry them, spread them on a cookie sheet, put them in the freezer after it cools down a little bit, and let them freeze And it doesn't have to freeze that long, maybe 3 or 4 hours or so. And then you deep fry them. I did it one time with russet potatoes, and they were the bomb. They were wonderful. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, baby. Unchain yourself. There you go. Oh, looks like I used it before. Yeah. Good. So it's going to sit like right here. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? And then you put the seeds in here. You put the seeds in here, and they go down here. Let me take a look at it. Goes down in there, down these big slots here, and then the birds eat it. It's a little dirty. I just loosen it and shake it out. Like that song, shake it out, shake it out. I wish this top would come off, but it don't. Hang on, I'll be right back. After you can watch me walk away. What time is this now? 16 minutes. Ah, that's not that long. You guys can suffer. I'm going to knock out all the seeds, the old seeds. All right, the old seeds are out. Oh, Mamma Mia! Oh, Mama! So what's kind of cool about this landscape I got here is, as they spill, you know, who cares? You know, the birds can sit around here, walk around, talk to their friends, say, hey, beep, 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 and feed themselves. So let me get a funnel. This is kind of a big funnel. I hate to use this one, but I'll try to be quick about this because there's going to be some walking. Oh man. This thing ain't coming off, guys. There it is. Fits perfectly. Smells a little diesel fuel-ish, but let's get this set up. It's going to take 2 trips. So I can't wait to test those French fries. I'll do it later on tonight, and then I'll video that. And I think it's going to be absolutely perfect. I really do. Because how do I know? Because I've done it before. And they were so good. Then I used crappy potatoes, and they were crappy. So, all right, let's get out there. I let the horses out. The ground was hard, so yeah. The ground was hard, so I let the horses out. If it was soft, I would never let them out. So all you do is just wreck the paddock. And it takes several days in the spring to get back up to the way I like it. I think this is stall number 3. Let me turn that on. Stall number 3 and this light. That's the light that's on now. So there's a 55-gallon drum. Like I said, this is spare stall until the babies need to be weaned, the baby horses. It's like that. The birds will fly into from there, and all the the door. They'll eat it. Here's the bird seed. This is the expensive ones, and let me put you right here. You guys gonna be okay there? So there is quite a bit of that in there. Let me toss it on there. Oh, look at that. They got pieces of fruit in there. Huh. So let me go ahead and put, almost looks like a peanut. So let me get the other parts. Mine. And then we'll call this video a wrap. It's getting a little long. Yes, had a nice conversation with Dave Voss. Brian, his nephew Brian, wants to fly down there with me, but that can't happen for quite a while. So, like say, beginning of summer or something. Well, that's too long. All my brown skin is gone. I need to get my brown back on. That's crazy. That is just crazy. That needs to stop. So now let me get the bird house, bird mansion, and let's go over there and fill it up. I know the video's getting awful long. It might even shut off. Let me see what. Hey guys. Oh shoot, it's 21 minutes already. Hi guys. Hi. Just posted a video of Lincoln riding his bike for the first time. That was kind of cool. Hi guys. I'm gonna feed the birds. And that's kind of cool. Man, do I gotta hurry. So what's gonna happen is I'll show you it's sitting in here, and then if I have time yet, I'll pour it full of food. So I gotta get my scoop. Always fighting the time. That's what's so weird. You always wonder, what are you gonna video? What are you gonna video? Well, there's so much stuff to video. It's ridiculous. Oh, look at that water coming out of there. So it must have a leaky pan, or what do you call that? Yeah, it is. Captain thought it was pee coming out of the ground. Horse pee. I didn't think so. Let's slowly drop it out of the funnel. I think 2 scoops is going to do it. Well, no. Well, it's not even going down. Come on, baby. Drain for me. It's coming, but must be a lot of sticks in there. Oh, there it goes. Another thing I think about doing is I'll put some down in there in the hole. I'll show you what I mean. So I can scoop some out of here. Not much, just a little bit. Hopefully the horses don't smell that. They'll go crazy. I don't know if you can see the horses right there. So